Hey there, welcome to Millennials Matter. You won't believe how easy it is to make money fast in these times. If you stick around, we will be breaking down the top 5 ways to make money online right now, straight from the trenches of the digital economy. Let's get started. Number 1, content creation and monetization. Creating and monetizing content is a classic way to make money online. Whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, or podcasts, the key is to produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Once you've built a following, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Here's some examples. Have a niche selection. Identify your passion or expertise and create content that resonates with a specific audience. This could be anything from personal finance to travel tips and cooking tutorials. Platform selection. Choose the right platform for your content, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so consider your audience and the type of content you want to create. Content quality. Produce high-quality, engaging content that your audience will find valuable. This includes writing clear and concise text, using high-resolution images and videos, and optimizing your content for search engines. Monetizing strategies. Once you've built a following, explore various monetization strategies, such as ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. Number 2, e-commerce and dropshipping. Selling products online has never been easier. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it simple to set up an online store. Dropshipping is a popular business model where you sell products without holding inventory. The supplier handles the shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. For example, product research. Identify profitable products to sell by conducting market research and analyzing trends. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Supplier sourcing. Find reliable suppliers who offer high quality products at competitive prices. Many dropshipping platforms can help you connect with suppliers. Online store setup. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing online store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize the design and layout to reflect your brand identity. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers and drive sales. This may include social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing. Number 3, freelancing and remote work. If you have skills to offer, freelancing or remote work can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your expertise in areas like writing, design, programming, or virtual assistance. You will need to try this. Skill development. Identify your skills and areas of expertise and continuously develop your skills to stay competitive. This may involve taking online courses, attending workshops, or practicing on your own. Portfolio building. Create a portfolio showcasing your work to potential clients. This will help them assess your abilities and determine if you're a good fit for their project. Client acquisition. Actively market your services to attract clients. This may involve networking with potential clients, using online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or creating a personal website or blog to showcase your work. Number 4, online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easy to create and sell your courses. If you're a subject matter expert, you can also offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services. You can try these options. Course development. Plan your course content carefully, ensuring that it is relevant, engaging, and informative. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand modules and provide supplementary materials like worksheets or quizzes. Platform selection. Choose a suitable platform for hosting your courses, such as Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Consider the platform's features, pricing, and target audience when making your decision. Marketing and promotion. Promote your courses through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Leverage your existing audience and network to reach potential students. Student support. Provide excellent customer support to your students to build trust and encourage positive reviews. This may include answering questions, providing feedback, and offering additional resources. Number 5, investing and financial markets. For those with a risk appetite, investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments can offer significant returns. However, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and develop a solid investment strategy. Consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Try these methods. Education and research. Thoroughly understand the different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies. Research the risks and potential returns associated with each type of investment. Risk management. Develop a risk management plan to protect your capital and avoid significant losses. This may involve diversifying your portfolio, setting stop-loss orders, and only investing money you can afford to lose. Portfolio building. Build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider investing in a mix of different asset classes and industries. Professional advice. Seek advice from a qualified financial advisor to help you develop a personalized investment strategy and make informed decisions. There you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online fast. Remember, success in the digital world requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing landscape. So choose your path, start taking action, and let your online journey begin. Also, while these methods can be lucrative, they require time, effort, and a willingness to learn. It's important to set realistic expectations and be prepared to face challenges along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more life tips and strategies.